Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Kinesis Data Streams. In this video, we will build a real-time data ingestion pipeline for processing financial transactions. If you are working in fintech, e-commerce, or cybersecurity, these use cases help you to handle high velocity of transaction data efficiently. Why do business need real-time data ingestion? Financial institutions process millions of transactions every second. Detecting fraud or anomalies in real time can prevent losses and improve security. AWS Kinesis helps handle streaming data efficiently with low latency. To implement this, we will create an AWS Kinesis data stream, a producer script to send stimulated transaction, and consumer script to process them. Let's take a look at our architecture. Producer simulates real-time transaction and pushes them to Kinesis. Kinesis data stream stores the transaction record temporarily. Consumer read the process and data from anomaly detection.
User under your root account. That's why I'm going to IAM, Identity and Access Management. From IAM, create the user. I have already created. Click the create user. I have already created AWS Kinesis Access, and the user already allowed the permission and policy the Amazon Kinesis full access. And here is the access key which I have preserved, and there was a secret key when I have created the user first time, and also I have preserved the secret key for further uses. Or go further, we should create a Kinesis data stream. In console, I'm writing the Kinesis and go to the Kinesis console to create a data stream. Here I have already created my data stream, financial transaction stream, for my project purpose. For demo purpose, I will show how to create a data stream. For that, I will give the name the test, and for the capacity, I will choose the provisioned, because on-demand capacity is scalable. It will cost a lot, and the provision shared is I have selected one, and the write capacity and read capacity already given by default, and here is the all set and create the user. That's all.
Understanding the producer and consumer script for AWS Kinesis data stream. AWS Kinesis data stream is a real-time data streaming service that allows you to collect, process, and analyze data in real time. The producer sends data into Kinesis stream while the consumer read and process the data. The producer script for initialize the Kinesis data client. I have already mentioned the AWS access key and AWS secret access key, which I preserved earlier when creating the financial transaction stream. Producer script. A producer is responsible for generating and sending data records to the Kinesis data stream. Purpose of the producer: generate synthetic financial transaction with random amount, user ID, timestamp, location, fraud flag, and send this transaction to an AWS Kinesis data stream using bot3, and use a partition key to ensure that distribution of record across shards. And here I am using user ID as a partition key. Key feature of producer: data generator, AWS Kinesis integration, and partition key. And purpose of the consumer script. Let's go to consumer script. The consumer reads data from Kinesis stream and process it. Purpose of the consumer: connects to the Kinesis stream and fetches transaction data, use shards, iterates to read records from Kinesis, process each records, printing it, analysis. Key feature of the consumer: fetching data from Kinesis, processing transaction, shard iteration. Right now I have already built the script. Right now I will run the producer. Let's run the producer. The sample transaction has already generated. Now let's go to our Kinesis stream, the financial transaction stream. Let's select the shard and the trim horizon and get the records. Previously I have generated the records, so a couple of records here, also here, and right now I have generated these records. Here is the partition key, user ID, amount, timestamp, location, and fraud flag also. So that's all. The producer and consumer generated data in financial transaction stream.